Hello everyone. Our topic number 34 is interpolation by Newton's Gauss forward method. Interpolation by Newton's Gauss forward method. Now x and y series are given, or x and y values are given. X equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y equals to 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1. Now find y for x equals to 3.5. For x equals to 3.5, find y, value of y. For x equals to 3.5, find y by method of Newton's Gauss forward method. This method is used when value to be interpolated lies near the middle of the series or in the middle of the series. Right? This method is used, means Newton's Gauss forward method is used when value to be interpolated lies in the middle of the series or near to the middle of the series. X equals to 3.5 lies near to the middle of the series. So we can easily use Newton's Gauss forward method. Now first step is find differences. First is 1 this term minus this term. 1 minus minus 1 is 2. Then this term minus this term, minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. This term minus this term, 1 minus minus 1 is plus 2. Then minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Then this term minus this term means 2 minus minus 2 is 4. Minus 2 minus minus 2 is minus 4. Then 2 minus minus 2 is 4. Then again 4 minus minus 4 is plus 8. Then minus 4 minus 4 is minus 8. Then last 8 minus minus 8 is 16. Means this term minus this term is 16. So first difference is delta naught 1. Next difference is delta naught 2. Next difference is delta naught 3. Next difference is delta naught 4. These are differences. Clear? Now write. Let's formulate the formula. Clear? For formulation, write x over here. Write x over here, x. Then for next, x minus 1. For next, x minus 1. For next, x plus 1. Write again x minus 2. For delta 1, x. For delta 2, x minus 1. For delta 3, x plus 1. Then for delta 4, x minus 2, and so on. X, x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2 if delta 5 is there. For delta 5, x plus 2. For delta 6, x minus 3. For delta 7, x plus 3. Clear? X, x minus 1, x plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 3. For Newton's Gauss forward method. Now first find x. First find x. X is interpolated item. Interpolated item minus preceding item over difference between adjoining items, which means x equals to interpolated item minus preceding item, difference between adjoining item. Interpolated item is x equals to 3.5. Means x equals 3.5 is our interpolated item minus preceding item, means 3 over adjoining item. Difference between adjoining item is 1, means 4 minus 3, which is 0.5. Therefore x equals to 0.5. X is 0.5. These x values, x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2, or x plus 2, minus 3, plus 3, just used for formulation of the Newton's Gauss forward method. Nothing to do with this question, right? This part. Now let's formulate the formula. Y equals to y naught. This term is y naught. Write y naught over here. Simple. Write y naught over here. Clear? Just to learn, just to formulate. First one is y naught. Y for Newton's Gauss forward method. Y naught plus, right, x into delta 1. X into delta 1. X into delta naught 1. Delta naught 1 is there, write 1 factorial over here. Plus x minus 1 into this, means x into x minus 1. For this, take these two terms. First term x, next term x minus into x minus 1 into delta 2 naught. Delta naught 2 is there, were right for second term, right 2 factorial over here. Means for first term y naught, for next term x into delta naught 1, for next term x into x minus 1 into delta naught 2, means x into x minus 1 into this one, this into this into this, x minus 1 over 2 factorial. Write next term. For this term, write the x into x minus 1 into x plus 1. Clear? For this term, x into x minus 1, x plus 1. Write x minus 1, x plus 1 over delta 3 is there, delta naught 3. 3 means divided by 3 factorial. Divided by 3 factorial. For next term, see again. For delta 4, means x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 2. Again, for this term, x into x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2. X, first term is x minus 1, x plus 1, again x minus 2 into delta naught 4 over 4 factorial. This is formulation of the formula till delta naught 4. If 5 is there, then write x plus 2. Right? Sequence is x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2, x minus 3, x plus 3, and so on. Right? Again, first term is y naught, second x into delta naught 1 over 1 factorial. For this, delta 2, x into x minus 1, x into x minus 1, delta naught 2 over 2 factorial. For next term, x into x minus 1 into x plus 1, x into x minus 1, x plus 1 over 3 factorial. For next delta 4, multiply previous terms, x into x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 2 into delta naught 4 over 4 factorial. 1 factorial, 2 factorial is 2 into 1, 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now y naught is this term, means preceding item, y naught. First go downwards, right? Then upwards, again downwards, again upwards, downwards. So our values are first this one, this one, this one, this one. This is our y naught, this is our delta naught 1, this is delta naught 2, this is delta naught 3, and this is delta naught 4. So y naught is 1, delta naught 1 is this one, delta naught 2 is this one, right? Y naught is this one, delta naught 1 is this value, delta naught 2 is this value, delta naught 3 is this value, and delta naught 4 is last one. Clear? Delta naught 4 is last one, and x is this one, 0.05. By putting all these values, we get equals to y naught is 1 plus x is 0.5. 0.5 into delta naught 1 is -2 over 1 factorial plus x is 0.5, again 0.5 minus 1 over 2 factorial. Delta naught 2 is -2. Sorry, delta naught 2. Delta naught 2 is -4. Right? Delta naught 2 is -4. Then for next, x minus 1 means 0.5, 0.5 minus 1, 0.5 plus 1, 0.5, 0.5 minus 1, 0.5 plus 1 over, this is plus 1, 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1 into delta naught 3. Delta naught 3 is 8. Delta naught 3 is 8 plus last term, this one, 0.5, 0.5 minus 1, 0.5 plus 1, 0.5 minus 2. Delta naught 4 is 16. 0.5, 0.5 minus 1, 0.5 plus 1, 0.5 minus 2 over 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into delta naught 4 is 16. 16. Delta naught 4 is 16. Then after calculating this, we get 1 minus 1 plus 0.5 minus 0.5 plus 0.375, which is equals to 1 cancels with -1, 0.5 cancels with this, 0.375. Therefore y value for x equals to 3.5 equals to 0.375 is our answer, right? Y value for x equals to 3.5 is 0.375 by using Newton's Gauss forward method. Topic number 34, interpolation by Newton's Gauss forward method. For x equals to 3.5, we have y equals to, by calculating or formulating this formula, 0.375. Now question number 2. Second formula is Newton's Gauss backward method. First one was forward method, now backward method, when value to be interpolated lies near the end of the series. Then this method is used, Newton's Gauss backward method. Now x and y values are given 1931, 41, 51, 61, 71 and 81. Y values are given 12, 15, 20, 27, 39 and 52. Now for 1966, when x is 1966, find y by Newton's Gauss backward method. Again, find differences first. 52 minus 39, 13, 39 minus 27, this is 13. 39 minus 27, 12. 27 minus 20, 7. 20 minus 15, 5. 15 minus 12, 3. Right? 13 minus 12, 1. 12 minus 7, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. For next, 1 minus 5, minus 4. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. Then minus 4 minus 3, minus 7. 3 minus 0, 3. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. These are differences till single digit. So name it as delta naught 1, delta naught 2, delta naught 3, delta naught 4, and delta naught 5. Write 1 over here to formulate the formula. 1. Next x. Next x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2, or x plus 3, minus 3, and so on. X, x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2. This is shortcut to formulate the formula 1. Right? Now first find x, or let's write formula. Y equals to y naught. First is y naught. Y naught plus this term 1 into x into delta naught 1, means x into delta naught 1 over 1 factorial. Delta naught 1 means 1 factorial, plus for delta naught 2, see 1 into x plus 1 into delta naught 2. 1 into x means x into x plus 1 into delta naught 2 over delta naught 2 is there, 2 factorial, plus for next delta naught 3 means product of previous terms. Start from here. 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 into delta naught 3. Right? 1 means x, 1 into x is x, into x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 2 over into delta naught 4 over 3 till 3. Right? 1 x plus 1, x minus 1, no need to write x plus 2 over here, delta naught 3 into delta naught 3 over 3 factorial. Right? Now next for delta naught 4, product of all previous terms. For delta naught 4 means 1 into x plus 1 into x minus 1 into x plus 2. See, 1 into x is x, then x plus 1, then x minus 1, then x plus 2 over 4 factorial over delta naught 4. And for last, product of all previous terms, 1 into x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2, and x minus 2. See this, 1 into x is x, into x plus 1, into x minus 1, into x plus 2, into x minus 2 over 5 is there, means 5 factorial into delta naught 5. If delta 6 is there, write x plus 3. For delta 7, x minus 3 plus 4 minus 4, and so on. This is formulation of the Newton's Gauss backward method formula. Clear? For first, delta naught 1 is x, For delta node 2 is x into x plus 1. For delta node 3 is x into x plus 1, x minus 1. For delta node 4 is x into x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2. For delta node 5 is x into x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2. Means shortcut to formulate this formula. Now find x. X is simple. Year succeeding the interpolation year minus interpolation year over difference between adjoining items. Again I am reading this. X equals to year succeeding the interpolation year. Our interpolation year is 1966. Interpolation year is 1966. Year succeeding the interpolation year is 1971. And difference is 61, 71. 71 minus 61 is 10. Difference is 1971 minus 61. 1971 minus 1961. Therefore value is 1971 minus 1961 over 10. Sorry, 66. 1966. Right? 1971 minus 1966 over 10 means 5 by 10 equals to 0.5. X is 0.5. X is 0.5. X is 0.5. 1971 minus 1966 is 5 divided by 10. Difference between adjoining items means these two items 10. 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is 0.5. Therefore x is 0.5. Now go upward direction. In backward method, mark it as up 1. This one 1, 2, 3, 4 and means first value is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is our y naught. Y naught is this one. Delta node 1 is this one. Delta node 2 is this one. Delta node 3 is this one. Delta node 4 is this one. Delta node 5 is minus 10. So y naught is 27, delta node 1 is 7, delta node 2 is 5, delta node 3 is 3, delta node 4 is minus 7, delta node 5 is minus 10 and x is 0.5. Year succeeding the interpolation year minus interpolation year, difference between adjoining items. 1971 minus 1966 divided by 10 means 0.5 sorry, right? Now formula. This one is y naught. Value of y naught is 27. Delta node 1 value is 7. Delta node 2 value is 5. Delta node 3 value is 3. Delta node 4 value is minus 7. Delta node 5 value is minus 10. Now by putting all these values we get y equals to y naught is 27 plus x is 0.5 0.5. Delta node 1 is 7 over 1 factorial means 1 same thing plus Next is x into x is 0.5. 0.5 plus 1 over 2 into 1. Delta naught 2 is 5. Plus next is x. 0.5 into 0.5 plus 1. 0.5 minus 1 over 3 factorial. 3 into 2 into 1. Delta naught 3 is 3. Right? For next, x is 0.5. 0.5 plus 1. 0.5 minus 1. 0.5 plus 2 over 4 factorial into delta naught 4. Delta naught 4 is minus 7. Plus for last, this one 0.5. 0.5 plus 1. 0.5 minus 1. 0.5 plus 2. 0.5 minus 2. Right, over 5 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into delta naught 5. Delta naught 5 is minus 10. Delta naught 5 is minus 10. So write minus 10 into minus 10. This into minus 10. Now by calculating all this, we get y equals to 27 plus 3.5 plus 1.875 plus 0.27. This is approximate value 0.273, something near to this, minus 0.1171. By adding all this, we get y for x equals to 1966 equals to 32.3437 or 32.3. So for x equals to 1966, for year 1966, value of y is 32.34. 32.34 by Newton's Gauss backward method. Right, by Newton's Gauss backward method. For interpolation, x equals to 1966, value of y is 32.34. Thank you.